You want to become a brilliant massage therapist. I will help you. I am Ulf Pape from Germany. I have been teaching massage and physiotherapists, osteopaths, and doctors for almost 3 decades. In this tutorial, you will learn a technique to get under the shoulder blade from the medial side to relax the rhomboids. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's get started. You can perform the following technique on a mat or a wide bench. Fix your partner's bent arm with your raised leg. Kneel over her with the other leg. Pull her shoulder medially and at the same time press the thumb of your other hand medially under the shoulder blade. Melt with your thumb in oral inserts of the rhomboid major and minor. Finally, place her bent arm on you versus and massage the trapezius pars descendens. Repeat the sequence until you can do it fluently with your eyes closed. Then practice the sequence on the bench. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your attention.